Yes, hello, good evening. Uh, Myself, Venugopal, President of JCA Puttur 2020. And JCA Puttur is a 49-year-old LOM or local organization member of JCI India, and we are heading to the 50th year in 2021. And just to have a small introduction about JCI, Junior Chamber International is an international NGO, non-government organization, which basically focuses on individual development, community development, and basically focuses on young active citizens. And the organization is spread around more than 100 countries across the world. And as I said before, with the vision and mission of engaging young active citizens, providing them with developmental opportunities, and with that bringing positive change in the community, and also being a UN SDG partner globally, also working on UN SDG goals, sustainability goals, at the micro level through its LOMs and members across the world. JCI has been a pioneer or a leader in terms of youth development, active citizenship, and also sustainability or working towards sustainability or working towards sustainable goals, in fact. So that's about JCI and Junior Chamber International, and Junior Chamber International India is a national member of the organization, and we have LOMs across the country, local organization members, or we can call it clubs, or the local associations which are members of the national body. And under the local organization members, we all have members, and every year it's a beautiful organization which completely runs on democratic process, where members decide on their team, administrative team, year on year, and it's led by an elected or a nominated or selected team of members every year. And this opportunity of leading and doing projects and programs, and for the club or for JCI, that opportunity is given to the members every year, and teams of members work at the club level, at the LOM level, to manage all these projects. So that's the beauty of it. It's a democratic organization, system-run democratic organization run by the members, for the members, and for the community. So this is generally about JCI. Now coming to JCI Puttur, we are, as I told you before, we are a 49-year-old LOM, local organization member, and we are heading to our 50th year. So 49 years of commitment, 49 years of creating opportunities, 49 years of community service, 49 years of leadership development, 49 years of friendship and relationships, 49 years of dreams and transformations, 49 years of 3 to 4 generations of people who have come in and gone, and this whole process of organizational development, that too a voluntary organization, a people-run organization, without any kind of profit or benefits as such, to run on it, absolutely with the members. That's something amazing. We are all proud of, because as a 49th year president today, I'm very proud, because if we are a 100 plus member LOM in JCI today, which is a landmark by itself, if we are a 49-year-old LOM today in JCI India, which itself is a landmark, it is because of someone whom I do not know, have started way back in 1972. Over the period, they have worked on it and developed and contributed and brought people together. All of this has happened over last 49 years, and today I'm here to enjoy it and experience it, and also continue the legacy. So that's the beauty of JCI Puttur and the 49 years of our development and contribution. So as we are heading to the 50th year now, we thought we have a lot of dreams and aspirations. So we have a concept of dream, create and lead. So this is going to be our theme and tagline for our 50th year, and also the punch line for the next set of 50 years that we are looking forward to dream, to create and to lead. This is what we've been doing now, and we want to take it forward. So at this very important point of time for the club or JCI Puttur, we thought we have, among other projects, among other dreams and other projects that we are working on and looking forward to, we thought that we have a lot of resources, lot of knowledge, lot of experience because of all that we have done, we've been doing for all these years. So we thought we can actually share them through a medium. That's exactly what we are doing today. Through a medium, through these videos and through YouTube channel, we can share our experience and knowledge and information to the benefit of lot of members, not just limited to our own LOM, not just limited to our own community, but to everyone who would be interested, to every JCI member from across the world, from across the country, from across the region. We thought we can really share our experiences and stories so that probably we can include as many people as possible in our happiness and in our celebration as we are heading to 50th year. And for that very reason, we have decided to launch and bring up our YouTube channel very soon, and this is the first promo video or introductory video that we are doing. So we will be bringing a series of videos of experience sharing, of information sharing, of education, and of also a lot of administrative management, project management, community development related information and experiences here in future. And I'm sure all of you and everyone can make the best use of it, and everyone would love to watch them and enjoy them. So once again, so I would conclude by saying that yes, JCI Puttur is heading for 50 years of commitment, contribution and development, 50 years of relationships and friendships, 50 years of good memories. We are taking forward with the theme of dream, create and lead, right? And we are very happy to bring up this series of videos and present it to everyone, and we look forward and keep watching out this space that I'm sure everyone out there will enjoy the kind of videos we are coming up. I'm super excited, so look forward. Thank you very much. That's good.